Hi, my name is Muthu Samosundaram. I work in VMware's Solutions Marketing team, and I'm excited to talk to you about VMware's Secure Mobile Workplace solution for government agencies. Government agencies are positioned in a unique place. Being part of the federal government, where your primary goal is to serve the constituents in the most efficient way possible, they are faced with some unique challenges. Agencies are looking for ways to secure their infrastructure while providing employees with flexible and mobile access to improve their efficiencies and productivity. Mobile mission enablement has become a popular phrase where mobility does not only mean access with mobile devices, but truly enabling the agency's employees to be productive wherever they are, no matter what device they use. And then there is also a couple of constraints like having to do all this with the lowest TCO, operating under a near-flat budget, and making sure that they are able to provide continuity of operations planning, a mandate, one of many that they have to comply with. And in all those challenges, security is the biggest one. There are many entities that try to compromise the data held by governments. It is imperative for the agencies to protect the data, their constituents' data, preserving the trust that the public has with their government. The Identity Theft Resource Center reports that more than 50% of all personal records lost are by government agencies. That is something that has to be remedied. While it is important for agencies to provide a flexible and mobile working environment, it is imperative to ensure that the security of the infrastructure is never compromised. The agencies have to provide useful mobile mission enablement in the most efficient way possible without compromising on security. So how do you address all these challenges and provide your end users with services that deliver agile mission value while leveraging your existing infrastructure investments? The last thing you want to do is a complete overhaul of your infrastructure. How do you pick the solution that delivers actual ROI and with a clear path to the future? Efficient modernization is the way forward. Stephen Van Roekel, the federal government CIO, mentioned that the DoD, not including any civilian agencies, just the DoD, was able to save $300 million due to efficiencies through modernization. The agencies want to enable a mobile workforce where security follows the employee. They want their employees to have real-time access to data from any device, anywhere, in a secure fashion, and be able to provide all employees with a consistent user experience across the devices. They also want to do all this with their existing security infrastructure like CAC cards, HPSs, etc. They want to improve work-life balance and employee productivity while ensuring compliance to various government protocols, mandates, and regulations. The VMware Secure Mobile Workplace solution helps agencies do just that. It is a secure, high-performance, validated solution for agencies looking to address mobility, security, and management initiatives. The solution is powered by VMware Workspace Suite and Socialcast. With this solution, the agencies can virtualize all their existing desktops and applications and put them in the secure data center using Horizon 6. This ensures that no data gets stored in the physical endpoints, but ensures that all employees get the best and consistent user experience while accessing their desktops from any device. The solution also helps agencies protect and manage all the access points, including mobile devices, with AirWatch, giving them complete control over their entire infrastructure while offering the best mobility solution to their employees. And finally, the solution helps employees collaborate amongst themselves using Socialcast to ensure that they can get the job done in the most efficient way possible. To explain this with a little more color, let's see how the solution can help a typical federal employee use case. Bob is a federal employee who typically commutes to the office to start his work. He uses his CAC card to log into the system and accesses applications and data. Data is typically stored in the endpoint, which in itself presents a potential for breach. Also, since all his data is in the local endpoint, he has no mobility, and any system failure leads to downtime for Bob. With VMware's Secure Mobile Workplace solution, Bob's desktop, applications, and data are all virtualized and moved to the data center. This provides a better security infrastructure since no information is stored at the endpoint. Bob can now use any device to access his applications and data. He still uses his CAC card to log in, but instead of accessing information in a local system, he's able to access his information from any system, desktop, laptop, or mobile device, including tablets and phones. Desktop follows the user to any device, and any local system failure does not lead to any downtime. Bob can simply use another system to access his data and pick up where he left off. Sometimes there are unforeseen natural events that prompt the agency to shut down. Recently, we had the Snowmageddon, which effectively shut down Washington, D.C. for a few days. During such events, employees cannot travel to their workplace and the system grinds to a halt. With VMware Secure Mobile Workplace solution, agencies can provide seamless continuity of operations so employees can be productive wherever they are, even from their homes. The security parameters are carried over the network and the infrastructure is never compromised. Bob can use his home computer or agency-provided mobile device to access his applications and data and continue his work. Mobility and COOP aside, there are a lot of instances where federal employees have to work with others, collaborate with others on projects. They have to share data across agencies to effectively do their job. Sometimes they have to work at other agency sites or stations. In those instances, instead of the traditional model, agencies with VMware Secure Mobile Workplace solution can securely deliver critical files and emails to the agency-approved mobile device. The solution comprises of AirWatch by VMware, which is DISA certified, which protects the mobile devices accessing the data, so there are no security breaches and every transaction is logged for auditing purposes. A lot of agencies these days are trying to adopt teleworking. Beyond the Telework Enhancement Act signed into law a few years ago, the agencies are looking to improve the work-life balance for all their employees. The Secure Mobile Workplace solution by VMware helps agencies seamlessly adopt telework, putting the infrastructure in place for employees to telework from home. The solution does this without compromising security or workflow for the employees. Talking about work-life balance, the solution, by virtue of allowing secure access to applications and data from any device, also helps employees work from anywhere, even while attending their kids' after-school practice. The solution helps employees be more productive while improving their work-life balance. Happier employees lead to a happy workplace which can attract and retain top talent, while making sure everyone is equipped to be their most productive. VMware Secure Mobile Workplace solution is built on VMware Workspace Suite and helps agencies adopt a flexible and mobile workplace with improved security and compliance, all the while reducing the total cost of ownership, helping agencies do more with less. Almost all the agencies, including all DoD agencies across the government, use our solution. One marquee example involved virtualizing the desktops that were used by DoD emergency response teams. The infrastructure was built with full redundancy, and I will let you read the code, which essentially says that the solution helped the responders have continuous access to critical information and data even during a disaster. In summary, I want to say that the VMware Secure Mobile Workplace solution helps you provide meaningful mobile mission enablement for all your agency employees while enhancing your security, making sure your environment is protected against any security breaches. This solution message is intended for the VP and C-level executives in all US federal government agencies. US federal government represents around 14% of end-user computing's BU's overall revenue numbers. And with this solution, we hope to expand that number and to capture all desktop and app virtualization business in all the federal government agencies. We also lower the total cost of ownership while modernizing your entire environment, improving your efficiencies, and help you prepare for the future world where you can securely enable flexible mobile access to all your employees at the lowest cost point. For more information about our solution, please visit our website. Thank you.